In this video, I'm going to show you how to crop an image to a specific size in Adobe Photoshop. So the first thing you need to do is head over to this left navigation and click on the crop tool. Now, if you don't see the crop tool, then you can just right click on this icon and select crop tool from the list. Once you have the crop selected, then typically what you would do is just drag the edges here to resize the crop selection. And then obviously from here, we'd be able to crop a certain section. Now, if you want to make this crop area a specific size, we can do that as well using this top navigation. So what we're going to do is click on the ratio drop down, and then from here we can select our crop dimensions. Now there's a bunch of pre-made templates here that we can choose from. For example, we can select the 1:1 square, or alternatively what we can do is select our own width and height for this crop. Now to do that, click on the W times H times resolution option. Then we're going to click on this drop down and you can select either pixels and inches or pixels and centimeters. Now if you had some specific dimensions in mind that you wanted to set this crop to, then what you would need to do is click on this box here, and we're first going to set the width for our crop. So let's say, for example, we wanted it 1200 by 800 like this. So we've wrote 1200 in this first box and then 800, which is going to be the height in this second box. And once you're finished, you can click on done. And it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.